Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show or hide the activity status on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner. Go to the settings and privacy section in the how voters can interact with you section. Click to the first option, the messages and story replies, and who can see your online section. You can find an option, the show activity status, and if you want to display your activity status, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.